Struggling with weak erections? Before you reach for pills or panic, try this. A 3-minute massage that can increase blood flow, stimulate key nerves, and naturally boost erection strength. It's safe, easy, and you can do it in the privacy of your own home. Hi, I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and this channel is all about real, no BS advice for men over 50. Today, I'm showing you a simple but powerful massage technique that supports erectile function, without meds, side effects, or embarrassment. Let's get right to it. How erections work. Erections rely on healthy blood flow and nerve signaling. Stress, poor circulation, or pelvic tension can reduce firmness. How this massage helps. Increases blood flow to the penis. Relaxes pelvic floor tension. Stimulates the pubic and perineal nerves. Reduces anxiety and reconnects brain to body. When to use it. Before intimacy. As part of your daily routine. After a workout or shower for best results. Step 1. Warm up, 30 seconds. Rub your hands together to warm them. Gently cup your lower abdomen and pubic area. Breathe deeply and relax, focus on the sensation. Step 2. Lower abdomen massage 1 minute. Use 3 fingers to massage in small circular motions. Start just below your belly button and work down toward your pubic bone. This stimulates blood vessels that lead to the penis. Step 3. Inner thigh press and roll, 30 seconds. Use your thumb to press and roll along your inner thigh toward the groin. This helps release tight fascia and opens circulation channels. Step 4. Perineum tap 1 minute. Place 2 fingers just behind the testicles, on the perineum, soft area between scrotum and anus. Gently tap or circle the area. Stimulates nerves linked to erections. Breathe slowly while doing this, feel the blood start to move. Tips for best results. Stay consistent, do this once or twice a day. Use light pressure, this is not deep tissue massage. Stay relaxed, stress kills blood flow. Try before intimacy to calm nerves and wake up the body. This isn't magic, it's biology. And the more connected you are to your body, the better your erections can be. So if you're struggling with weak erections, try this 3-minute massage. It's simple, it works, and it costs nothing. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a boost. And don't miss our next video. If you can't get hard, try this ancient massage trick. It's all connected.